Eyebrow pencils are a foundational tool in shaping, defining, and grooming brows. In drugstore formats, they offer a balance of precision, wear, and price that can rival premium pencils when chosen with attention to tip size, formulation, and application mechanism. This review evaluates 5 widely available drugstore options across 4 brands to provide a clear sense of who benefits most from each product. Product number 1. NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is marketed as a precision tool with a super skinny retractable tip designed to mimic individual brow hairs. It emphasizes a long-wearing, natural finish with a broad shade range of 12 vegan and waterproof options, including the ash brown color used in this evaluation. This pencil appeals to users seeking fine, controllable strokes and a defined but natural look, with a cruelty-free stance that aligns with many eco-conscious consumers. The product's core strengths lie in its ultra-fine tip and reliable, precise line work that enables meticulous brow shaping. In practice, the 1.0-1.1 millimeter equivalent tip allows microstrokes that closely resemble real hairs, which is ideal for sparse brows or for adding density without a heavy cosmetic line. Product number 2. Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Slim Eyebrow Makeup. Maybelline's Express Brow Ultra Slim is positioned as an ultra-slim precision pencil with a built-in spoolie, designed for hair-like strokes and easy grooming. The 1.5 millimeter tip strikes a balance between precision and speed, and the product offers a wide shade range, 9 tones, to cover typical brunettes and ash tones. The combination of a retractable tip and integrated spoolie makes it a convenient choice for on-the-go touch-ups and quick brow definition, particularly for users seeking a defined but natural look. Performance-wise, the 1.5 millimeter tip provides more robust control than ultra-fine micropencils, while still enabling fine line work. Product number 3. Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Micro Eyebrow Retractable Pencil. Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Micro Pencil is a retractable option with an ultra-fine 1.5 millimeter tip, matching the concept of a hair-like stroke pencil at a highly accessible price. It emphasizes a precise micro-detail capability, a built-in spoolie for grooming, and a matte finish that helps define brows without a glossy sheen. The product is marketed as vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free, adding appeal for sensitive users who value clean formulas. In use, the micro tip allows careful, discreet strokes to emulate individual brow hairs, making it a strong candidate for sparse brows or for users who want to add realistic texture. The spoolie is essential for distributing color evenly and softening any harsh edges. Product number 4. Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner Pencil. This product is a Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner Pencil, positioned primarily as an eyeliner but frequently repurposed for eyebrow use due to its soft, creamy texture and intense color payoff. The Sima Brown shade is described as rich, hyperpigmented, and versatile, offering long-wearing matte finish when used along the brows. The formula emphasizes creamy application and high color density, which can be advantageous for quick feels or defining the tail of the brow, but it is primarily designed for eyeliner tasks. For brow work, the pencil's creaminess can yield bold, defined lines with minimal effort, but the trade-off is potential smudging or smearing over time if not sealed with setting products. The long-wearing matte finish helps longevity. Product number 5. ELF Instant Lift Brow Pencil. The ELF Instant Lift Brow Pencil is a dual-ended tool with a fine tip for precise drawing on one side and a spool/brush for grooming on the other. It's marketed as shaping, defining, and filling brows with a natural finish and emphasizes a long-lasting hold. The neutral brown shade is representative of a versatile, universal brow color suitable for a wide range of hair tones. The product underscores vegan and cruelty-free credentials, aligning with many value-conscious consumers. In practice, the dual-ended design offers a convenient workflow. Comb brows into place, then fill with quick, hair-like strokes. The fine tip supports controlled, granular filling for density without creating obvious blocks of color. The brush helps maintain a polished look and can tame stray hairs for a soft finish.